Hi folks, welcome to another video on the channel. Today we will discuss some differences about UiPath, Blueprism, Automation Anywhere and Power Automate. Now we all know that these are market leaders for RPA, but they have some differences. Although every tool will allow you to automate the process using GUI options. Let's discuss some of the differences. Now we will discuss the differences based on some features like ease of use, scalability, security, integrations, pricing and best suited for. So if we discuss about ease of use, these all tools will be GUI based. You have to drag and drop the actions or activities, whatever they call. But if you talk about Blue Prism in all the tools which we see in the comparison table, then you have to first of all grasp with the concept of process and objects, where you call the objects inside the processes. So that might be a little bit tricky for some users. Otherwise, these all tools are very easy to start with, and you can start your automation development. Talking about scalability, UiPath would come under highly scalable, and Automation Anywhere would be also highly scalable compared to Blue Prism. If we talk about the scalability, Blue Prism would be also coming in highly scalable, but Power Automate might require some additional configurations to be done so that you can create a scalable automation. Talking about the security viewpoint, then all these tools are highly secure with several security certifications, and they are from reputed companies, so all they will have the security and encryptions in place wherever required. Talking about integrations, as all these tools will allow you to integrate with different applications, different systems, different technology. For example, you can create automation dealing in mainframe, desktop app. If you're trying to do something with web app, all these will allow you to do that. But in all these tools, Power Automate shines with its native out of the box integration with wide range of applications. For example, if you're trying to create an automation which will deal with SharePoint, OneDrive for Business, or such Microsoft products which the organization might be already invested in, then Power Automate has so many connectors and actions right off the box which will help you to create automation in no time. Talking about the pricing, now these are the recent figures and they are subject to change as organizations revise their pricing as per customers and as per the market demand. So UiPath will start around $1199 per month. Blue Prism is slightly expensive than all the tools combined, and it will start around $5,000 per month. Now Power Automate is the player which is recently entered the market. It's from Microsoft. So Microsoft has that money power to undercut other competitors in price comparison. So they have started the pricing at $50 per user per month. And this contains some other tiers as well, which you can find it out on the Microsoft website. Coming to the Automation Anywhere, it will start from around $1,200 per month. Now, all these tools with their features, with their applications, with their ease of use, they all are leaders as per the latest Forrester report and Gartner report. But there are some things which they are, best suited for. For example, if you talk about UiPath, it is suitable for companies of all sizes, but particularly well suited for large enterprises, which might take multiple licenses and their license cost will further decrease. Blue Prism will be also suitable for companies of all sizes, but particularly well suited for regulated industries. And Blue Prism tightly controls the delivery of its software. So the companies might look into this aspect also if they intend to use Blue Prism for their automation. Talking about Power Automate, as we discussed, the licensing cost is very competitive in compared to other tools. So they are suitable for all sizes companies. For example, if some big organizations wanting to adopt it or some small and medium sized businesses. So that's a very powerful factor in favor of Power Automate. Coming to Automation Anywhere, it is also suited for almost all sizes, but maybe it might be a better candidate along with Power Automate for companies which are already using some Microsoft products and services. So these are some of the differences and comparison which we discussed about for different tools. The UiPath, Blue Prism, Power Automate, and Automation Anywhere, the market leaders in today's RPA market. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.